Hey guys, today I just wanted to go over how we're going to access part 2 of our geometry test on Friday, the part that requires you to show your work. So it'll be posted on the stream or you can go to the classwork to get it. You're going to first have your part 1, which is going to be 25 multiple choice questions in a Google form worth 25 points. And then your geometry test part 2 is going to be all the show your work. Obviously, I'm not going to show you the actual test, so I made a little demo for us to model it. So this is a demo of part 2. So you have options. You can either open it in Kami. So again, you want to click open in Kami, and you want to do this if you have a touchscreen device, whether it be a Chromebook or an iPad or, Microsoft Surface, whatever touchscreen device you have, you can use Kami, open with it. Remember, if you're using an Apple product, you might have to click over here and open in a new window before it actually allows you to open in Kami. Once it opens in Kami and all the questions and images populate, okay, when you're solving your problem, you're welcome to use a text box to type in, the drawing tools. When you're using the drawing tool, please don't use the red. I think that's what I'm going to grade in. So use any other color besides red. You'll notice up here we see the point value for each question. The total is going to be 25 points. Okay. If you're not using a touchscreen device or you don't like to use Kami, that's fine. You can use the Google Doc. Okay, so for the Google Doc, you're going to do all your work on a separate piece of paper and then insert images for each question. I'm going to ask you insert the image directly into the question. That's going to make it a little easier for me to grade. So if I'm going to insert my image for number 1, I click in here. I'm going to go File. I'm going to go to Insert, Image, Camera. I'm allowing it to use my camera here, and I want to try and get it as big and as clear as I possibly can. Okay. You guys also, I can't do it because I'm, sharing my screen, but you flip it around, do it there, and we're going to insert. Okay. And I can size it. I can adjust, sort of wrap it with the text so it fits in nicely there. Size it. I want to make sure, that's clear. I can read it. Ms. Dasso is going to be able to grade that. And I move on to my next question. And it's fine if the spacing in the problem gets a little wonky. So again, I go to Insert, Image, Camera. Okay. I'm going to hold up my work this time for number 2. Get it all nice and centered up there. Okay. Now notice it's clicked on my old picture. I have to click here to take that one and insert there. That's not bad either. That's something I can grade. If you're not happy with it, you can delete it and go and take another image. I'm just going to suggest if you're inserting images into Google Doc, hold on to the pieces of paper where you showed your work. Just in case, as I go through to grade it, if it's a little fuzzy or I'm having trouble seeing something, I might email you and ask you to send me another image. So just take that paper, put it someplace safe, and just hold on to it. Now, a reminder, again, our test, it's open notes, so you can use that reference sheet you created with all your information. You can use your calculator, you can use your booklets, but you may not use friends or family for help. So you cannot ask another person for help. Okay, so the geometry test is going to be live at 8 a.m. Friday morning, tomorrow morning, and it is due by 9 p.m. Friday night. Okay. Have a great day, guys. Please let me know if you have any questions so we can get it figured out beforehand.